Hi everyone, you're watching Jana FX, and in this video I want to share with you results of my trading for the month of October. So the month has finished and you probably want to know what the results I have with the some accounts I'm sharing with you guys. So that's the first account. You see the $195. You saw it in the previous video. I'm going to share with you the trades on this account with a very small lot size, only 0.02, where I'm applying the new version of our EA with the new features built into it. So the month pretty much I was starting to trade it with the older version, the lighter version of EA, and with our usual recovery system. Now recovery system has changed slightly, and so that's why last week I was showing to you that I had lots of trades, and out of all those trades only one ended up in a recovery right now. So I just want to show you guys a little bit of a statement where you can see the drawdown on the account this month, because when I was showing you the other accounts, you saw my drawdown was around 60%, and I know I was quite aggressive with the other account. So this one, as you can see right now at this moment, just 11%. Well, you can see this part is where I was trading gold. I started to place on this account, but with still again with the older version of EA setups. So now the settings have changed. So, and you can see it's quite smooth movement, smooth results afterwards, right? So that's why. Okay, so at this moment it is 11%, but you know that this week it was pretty much it was very low drawdown, so only like was $15 loss. So, well, of course, we're going to see what's going to happen next. It's still quite a big account, about $5,000 started with, and but like I'm saying, the bigger account just helps with in case we will have drawdowns, and how big the lot size will go, because the new features in the EA, and I want to check it out. So the bigger accounts helps to you know, to prevent from blowing when you're starting with very small accounts. So okay, that's the results. So you see right now, so we have a pretty good month, and another account where I'm using slightly bigger lot sizes. It's a bigger account, and I'm using here 0.08, 0.10 original lot size, and you can see I had lots and lots of trades this month. And sometimes, you know, I'm leaving the trades floating without the taking the stops, without using the stops, and you can see I have quite a lot of trades. Okay, it's just like lots and lots and lots and lots, and that's the result. And I, of course, I want to show you floating because I still have some old trades are floating here. You see, they are since like some May and June, so like really old ones, and I'm still keeping them running, and not going to close them at this moment. So you see, I have about $1,300 of floating, so I can quite easily close this and end up still with a really nice profit. So is that what you see? And yeah, so we will see what I will do next, if I will keep them running or not, because, you know, it's a big account, and when you trade without the stops, you expect floatings for weeks, months, and sometimes even years. Well, except the swap, you don't want to grow too much, of course. So we will see. But that's the results, all guys, with my usual strategy. The last trades, if you would look here, I have been trying some other gold trades. You'll see a little bit of the scalping was going on, very small, like 0.20, not 90, 20 cents, I mean to 80 cents. I was trying something different, and it's a bit of scalping, which requires quite a lot of time sitting at the screen. So I'm not sure if I want to do that, because, you know, with my strategy, I place my orders with the levels, with the EA, and then just walk away from the screen and then just leave it and keep an eye on it. Of course, when I'm here, I pop up, I have a look, I see what's going on. And you know, sometimes I can make decisions like turn off the EA, keep going to take profit or to a target, or, you know, if it's in a recovery, maybe it's had enough and I just want to close with a little small loss or something. So yeah, but it's all my entry points exactly the same what I've been talking about in my weekly analysis, and even in the daily ones I had it last week. So yeah, and of course, so the entry points are the same. I'm using exactly the same strategy, and it's the difference I'm playing with the stops. So now with the new features in the year, I will be trying to use the stops, and we will see how it's going to progress. Of course, I will keep you updated, and if you are interested, of course, don't forget to subscribe to Jana FX Telegram channel, where I'm sending all the news I have. And of course, my other social sites, I have a page in all Jana FX page on Facebook. You can find me, and of course on YouTube here in the videos if there will be some news. And of course, if you're interested in EA, it's through Patreon. Beginning of the month is the best, or you can get through Fiverr for a month subscription anytime, and 6 months or 1 year have very good discounts. So you can subscribe also at any time. So, well, that's it. And happy trading, happy trading, everyone. And I see you in my next video. Bye.